My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of fake human verification alerts that are related to the site newswoluda.com. Newswoluda.com is a junk site. Currently, it attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on this allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are humans and not robots. The truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow. If the allow button was clicked, the browser gets hijacked and infected with numerous ads that will be popping up in the right part of the computer screen. So you should deactivate these ads. Access the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings. Go to permissions and select notifications. Now pay careful attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this newswoluda.com, click on this button and remove the junk site from the list. Also, don't hesitate to delete other deceptive websites from this list. Just make sure you get rid of all of them completely from this list. And this is the manual way to get your browser fixed. However, I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program and start researching and investigating your computer to detect and remove other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.